AI meeting assistants are becoming essential in our professional lives because they capture every detail of a conversation far better than any human ever could. For that purpose, you might have seen people using Otter pretty often. But today, we are here with another powerful tool that might actually be a better choice than Otter, and that's Transkriptor. It's a comprehensive transcription and meeting intelligence platform designed for accuracy and versatility. So, we're putting them head-to-head to see which one is actually better. To start, let's break down the user experience. When you log into Transkriptor, the dashboard here feels more like a command center. Instead of a feed, you get immediate, clear options. On the left, you can upload a file, connect your calendar, or access the notes. The main panel displays your recent transcriptions. When you click on one, the layout splits into two main sections: your full, editable transcript on one side, and a powerful AI Assistant and Insights tab on the other. Now, switching over to Otter, you're greeted with a feed-style homepage. It feels a bit like a social media feed, showing a chronological list of all your past conversations. On the left-hand side, you have your main navigation for things like workspaces, channels, and folders. Putting them side by side, we feel that while Otter's simplicity is nice, Transkriptor's interface is more logically structured for a professional workflow. It anticipates that you want to do more than just read a transcript. You want to analyze it, get insights, and take action. Moving on from the look and feel, let's get into the AI transcription. The first thing we tested was accuracy. Based on our tests and user data, Transkriptor consistently delivers an accuracy rate of up to 95%. This means fewer errors and less time spent manually correcting the text. On the other hand, Otter's accuracy typically falls within the 80% to 85% range. In practice, this means it can struggle with strong accents, background noise, or industry-specific jargon, which can lead to significant editing time. The next major point of comparison is language support. This is a critical factor for any team that works globally. Otter is quite limited here, as it only transcribes in 3 languages: English, Spanish, and French. Transkriptor, in contrast, supports over 100 languages for both transcription and translation. For international teams or researchers working with multilingual content, this makes Transkriptor the only practical choice. Both tools also offer speaker identification. Otter does a decent job but can sometimes be inconsistent, occasionally misidentifying the number of speakers in a conversation. We found Transkriptor's speaker identification to be a core, reliable feature that works well across its many supported languages, accurately labeling who said what. Of course, a raw transcript is just the beginning. What really matters is how you can work with that text to create useful notes. Otter allows you to highlight parts of the transcript to create what it calls takeaways. You can also add comments and assign action items. And its AI generates a standard summary of the meeting. However, this is an area where Transkriptor pulls ahead with more advanced capabilities. It moves beyond simple annotation and into automated document generation. Transkriptor has a library of pre-built AI templates, and you can even create your own. With one click, you can ask the AI to restructure the entire transcript into a formal summary, a Q&A document, a list of key decisions, or a detailed action plan. Its integrated AI assistant can also be prompted to draft follow-up emails or extract specific insights on command. While Otter lets you mark up a transcript, Transkriptor actively transforms that transcript into new structured documents tailored to your needs. Now let's talk about how these tools help you organize everything, especially when working in a team. Otter uses a system of workspaces, folders, and channels. Channels are an interesting feature that blends live chat with asynchronous updates, which makes it feel a bit like a Slack channel built around your meetings. Transkriptor approaches this with what it calls collaborative workspaces. On its team plan, you can create shared spaces for different projects or departments, complete with specific user roles and permissions. But the standout feature here is the ability to build a knowledge base. This allows you to turn your entire collection of transcripts into a single, searchable intelligence asset for your organization. You can ask the AI questions and get answers drawn from insights across dozens of different meetings. So, while both tools offer ways to organize files, Transkriptor's workspace is designed for something bigger. A great tool needs to fit into your existing workflow, so app integration is key. Both platforms handle the basics well, offering direct integrations with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet for their meeting bots. Otter also connects with your Google or Microsoft Calendar and offers some CRM integrations like Salesforce and HubSpot on its more expensive plans. Transkriptor also has powerful integration options. You can connect it directly to Google Drive to automatically transcribe any new audio or video files that appear. At the CRM side, you're getting Salesforce to integrate with Transkriptor. Furthermore, its robust Zapier integration means you can connect it to thousands of other apps, which allows you to create complex automated workflows. Still, Otter has an edge over Transkriptor on the Zapier side. Otter is highly optimized for the live meeting workflow, and in terms of integrations, Transkriptor has fewer options than Otter. When it comes to working with your team, Otter is particularly strong for live, real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can be in a transcript at the same time during a meeting, highlighting text and adding comments together. You can then share the transcript via a link or through a channel. Transkriptor also allows for collaborative editing within its shared workspaces. Where it excels is in asynchronous collaboration and sharing polished final documents. It's incredibly easy to share a transcript with a secure link, or export it in a wide variety of formats, including TXT, PDF, Word, and, importantly, SRT for video subtitles. This makes Transkriptor much more versatile for teams that need to repurpose their content. Its ability to generate structured notes using templates also enhances collaboration, as you can share a concise summary or action plan instead of making your team read through a full transcript. Beyond the core functions we've discussed, both platforms have some unique extras. Otter's main additional features are its AI chat, which lets you ask questions about a specific meeting, and its advanced search function. It's effective, and in some scenarios, it leaves Transkriptor behind with its powerful chat features. But Transkriptor also widens the gap by offering a suite of tools that transform it from a transcription service into a multifaceted intelligence platform. We already mentioned the knowledge base, which allows for cross-meeting analysis. It also offers deeper data analytics, but you need to upgrade to the team plan to unlock this feature. These features show that Transkriptor is thinking beyond the meeting itself and is focused on helping you create new value from your transcribed content. So, which tool should you choose? Both tools have pros and cons depending on the need, but overall, Transkriptor stands out more, and here is why. While Otter is a capable tool for simple live note-taking, Transkriptor has the clear edge for professionals and teams. Its transcription accuracy, support for over 100 languages, and powerful suite of advanced features like the knowledge base and customizable AI templates make it a far more versatile platform. For serious work, Transkriptor is the smarter choice. Click the link in the description to try it for yourself. Share your experience with us in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.